So we're here at Knott's today and we're gonna be doing a food hop, and I'm here with Miguel.
Hi.
Let's get going. So I took this clip walking through security to show you how empty it was when we got there, and we had got there around 1 p.m. and we had left at 5 p.m. But let me tell you, there was a line. There were so many people walking in. I didn't get a clip of it, but let me tell you, I'm so glad we had gone the time that we did. So I know Knott's Berry Farm has a lot of food events. I never been to one. This is actually my first time being back at Knott's since 2008. But this event was $30 for 5 food items off your tasting card. Your parking was actually free and the entrance fee was your tasting card. You had to purchase one to get in. And if you saw something else you wanted to try but used your 5 items, you just had to pay $6 for additional food items. So I didn't do a good job at recording while I was there. I just recorded the food, which is what we had gone for anyway. But just so you can see how the food and portion size was. So this is your tasting card, and it just shows you all the food that they have and what parts of the park that you can find them at. What'd you think of your sandwich?
They put too much aioli, so I wiped some of it off. But it was pretty good. Like a 5.5 out of 10. A 3 out of 5.
A 3 out of 5? So my mac and cheese was pretty good, but I just feel like it's too much. Like the portion was really big. We're still gonna go try some more things out. The sandwich actually was better than the rib. The rib was really salty and I did not enjoy that corn salsa at all. Maybe because I had it on its own, but yeah, it was not good. The carnita fries were actually surprisingly good. So my plate looks like a mess, I know. We shared and we cut everything before
the first bite. I don't like the sauce.
So I'm a little iffy about pork, so I thought this was kind of okay. I kind of don't really like pork, like I said, so everything's just okay. What about the fries?
The fries are good. It's like
I forgot we were rating stuff.
this is like a 3.5 out of 5. This is like a 2.5 out of 5.
The rib?
This is a 0.5 out of 5.
Okay. I don't know what I rate it. So this ice cream sandwich was actually really good. It was just a little hard to eat because it was really thick. So I'm not that much into overly sweet items, but I did really enjoy these boysenberry bites and the strawberry rhubarb, but I could not finish them. It was too much. So this was a boysenberry breaded chicken tender on a waffle with fire honey. First of all, the chicken tender was really dry. I understand they have everything pre-cooked and just under a heat lamp, but it was so dry. And the waffle, I actually felt like I was chewing on grains of sugar, which I did not like. And I had totally forgotten that the honey was spicy. So I don't know, overall, like all these flavors together, they did not work for me, unfortunately.